Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Tangled Branches, chapter 30. So here it is. Let's read the story. Like a bet? Well, Trius said. My sister-in-law memory is really frustrating. Triyu, she keeps teasing her. But for Changshu, I will use myself to replace. Well, that was enough. But Changshu, she really feels uncomfortable. Now, Princess Mingwei has agreed to commit herself to me. It's the Emperor's sister-in-law. Now, still, she continued to tease Changshu. What? What could be that my sister-in-law really intends to bless us? Shiryu, she continued to provoke Changshu. If you two really love each other, I can bless you. Changshu said to Shiryu, but still, she was looking around and she don't want to face her. But he don't love Princess Mingwei at all. No one will be gamble with one they love. So after hearing that, Shiryu, Princess Mingwei is still child. How could you ruin child's happiness just because of our absurd relationship? Well, Changshu was right. At this moment, she seems to be getting angry. Well, probably, she got really jealous and she don't want Shiryu to come on Princess Mingwei. I will definitely wait until the day she admitted herself. Princess Mingwei, I'm not the same. Well, how come my sister-in-law only cares about other people's children and doesn't know how to care for her own child? Now, it makes sense. After hearing that, Shiryu, looking at her face, it seems that she was plotting something. She thinks that she must be interested in hers, but of course, Shiryu, she kept teasing Jiangsu, and Jiangsu said to her, "Shut up." While walking in the court with the two identities, her situations in the palace is inherently more dangerous than now. Jiangsu knows about this. My sister-in-law is actually more worried about me than herself. It's worth it that I miss my sister-in-law every day. Triyu, she is trying to trick her. That's not it. She actually wears it every day. Well, for her, she know to herself that she was wearing her Velivak. Now, makes sense. Jiangsu, like you, well, for her, she don't want to admit it. You're such a Jiangsu said to her. Well, she know to herself that Chiyu was only provoking her, but still, she was losing herself. Strange, didn't Queen's sister? Well, she didn't get vanished today. She was expecting that she can be vanished, but it seems that she's not in the mood. That's right, that's right. Chiyu said to Jiangsu. Now, she was grabbing her hands. Is my sister-in-law planning to save all the energy she used? Well, it seems that at this moment, she has no plans to punish her, but still, she got really angry. This person, I know, I can talk to her properly. Changshu said to herself. Now, she keeps staring at Chiyu. Take off my belly band. You are not allowed to wear it. Do you want to take it off here? Well, Changshu said to her. Sister-in-law, you are so good at having fun, so it seems that she really wanted to tease her at this moment. Look at her. She continued to tease her until Changshu. She was going to take it off or she will leave it alone. Well, it seems that Chiyu, she wanted to tease her. Sister-in-law, please, keep it carefully. My body temperature is still on it. Well, it seems that she continued to tease her. Are you crazy? What if someone sees you? You're a princess after all. Well, she was right. At this moment, she kept teasing her. Don't worry, I have already arranged for someone to guard it. No one will pass through here. Well, Chiyo said to Jiangsu. Now, it makes sense. It seems that she really can believe that she was going to take her. Well, this time, Chiyo, she was always been tricky and also wanted to tease her. Now, she wanted to take off the elephant so she can give back to her. Looking at the situation, Changshu, she might feel in trouble because Shiryu, she kept teasing her like this. After seeing her, of course, she was blushing. Well, we can really wait to see on what's gonna happen. Do you want to play something exciting with me? Shiryu, she kept asking Changshu, but for Changshu, look at her, her face, she was blushing. Probably, she really wanted to avoid her. Also, she might be confused. You want us to sit here in open air and make love? Well, this time, she got this again. Shiryu, she's been tricky, but Changshu, she was blushing. If the Empress wife minds that the environment, we can go to bed. Shiryu said to her. Well, for Changshu, of course, she is blushing and said, no word, I won't do that with you, princess. Just give up. Changshu, she continued to tease Shiryu. It's because not good looking. Of my technique, it's not good enough. Well, I'm Bridget, okay? I don't need it. I have no desire for it. Shiryu said to Changshu. Ah, such a words. It really can't push her away at this time. Well, she was right about this. But, let's see. It's tiring to pretend every time. Just go to along with your plan. Why don't you practice your technique? Shiryu suddenly. Well, now, at this moment, it seems that she is really getting angry. This woman has always been one causing me trouble. And now, it's my turn to embarrass her. Well, it seems that Shiryu, she is losing her coolness. But this moment, she continued to argue. Why are you unhappy again when I tell you the truth? You rejected me because you thought my skills were not good enough, Shiryu said to her. So, if I improve my skills, will you accept me? Now, makes sense. She is trying to tease her again. But, Changshu, if your skills are good, I'll give you a chance. Anyway, whether the technology is good or not, just matters of my words. Right? Changshu, she was smiling. At this moment, she looks really happy. Well, with that look, it must be she is going to win. Okay, after 3 days of absence, I will definitely impress the Empress Dowager, Changshu said to herself. After that day, Shiryu didn't bother me for a while. I didn't expect that the phrase spot technology would be so useful. Changshu said to herself, these few days I have been few days of peace and quiet and no one's bothering her, but it seems that she's getting sad. The queen, princess, it's so late. What's the matter? Well, Changshu, she looks really worried. Why suddenly Princess came in. When the ministers heard that Shiryu was going to marry Princess Mingwei, they were against it. He insisted on divorcing Princess Mingwei. Well, I tried to ask Princess Mingwei but about her and Shiryu before, but she always changed the subject. What exactly does she like about Shiryu? Changshu said, Shiryu invited me to spend the night with her, but I have no experience. Should I prepare something? Well, this time, Changshu, what's she going to do? It seems that she is getting jealous. Spend the night? Well, of course, she didn't think about this. Well, it seems that someone is really getting jealous about this. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining a membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!